touch me, I feel so good inside. Girl, this feeling that Yo, welcome back to my channel. I am Court Love, and in this video I am showing you this nice Amazon wig. Yes, Amazon wig. Yes.
Yes. Ice cream so good.
Oh my goodness. TikTok always got me in a chokehold, I swear. But anyway, before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Also comment down below, because we all know it helps my videos get reached out to new viewers. So let's get into this video. This is it straight out the box. This is how it looks. This like the length of the hair. I can't remember what the length of the hair is. I think it's a 24 inch, I believe, or 26, I believe. I'll put the length in the description and the link as well, where you can purchase this hair. But it's so pretty. This is the knots. Focus, yes. Of course, you know I'm gonna bleach it, because girl, when it's human hair, yes, I'm bleaching. And these are the long little baby hairs. I don't know, I might do some baby hairs. I don't know how I'm gonna style it. But you can see that the hairline is kind of like thinned out, where they giving that natural hairline. But of course I'm gonna go in and pluck it. So this is the hair before I do anything. And this is the final look. I love how this turned out. Like, I just wanted the long sideburns or side hair or whatever. Yes, girl. Yes. I love this little Amazon wig. And I will leave the link in the details of this wig and where to, what Amazon store to get it from. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.